Currently, Phantom Wallet does not offer a feature to directly create or change a traditional username within the wallet itself. However, you can create a Solana name service username, which is a human-readable name that can be used with your Phantom Wallet address. This allows you to use a custom name instead of the long wallet address. Here's how to change or create a username for your Phantom Wallet. Install Phantom Wallet. Ensure that you have Phantom Wallet set up and funded with some SOL. Visit a Solana name service platform. Go to a Solana name service platform, such as Bonfida, where you can create or change your Solana-based username. Search for your desired username. On the SNS platform, search for the username you want. If available, you can proceed to register it. Connect Phantom Wallet. Select Phantom Wallet when prompted to connect the wallet. Approve the connection in Phantom by clicking Connect. Register and pay the fee. Once connected, follow the prompts to complete the registration. The platform will ask you to confirm the transaction and pay a small fee in SOL. Use your new username. After completing the registration, you will have a personalized Solana name service username. You can now share this username instead of your long wallet address.